Good morning, students. Today I am beginning the third part of the Happy Prince, and we left where the Swallow she pricks both the eyes of Happy Prince and give those to the playwriter as well as to the um, mastic maker girl whose sticks had fallen into the gutter. Now we begin where we see seeing a Happy Prince blind. Now the Swallow thought that she cannot leave the prince who is so soft and so kind-hearted, and she thought of staying forever with the Happy Prince and describing the things that surround Happy Prince. Now the Swallow sits on the shoulder of the Happy Prince and narrated everything that happens around the city. Now he describes about the Swallow. He flew on the city and returned back to Happy Prince and told her that there were hungry children, and he saw the poor people there who were weeping and who were unhappy and sad. The prince now requested the Swallow to take the gold leaf of his body and give these to the poor people. And the moment the Swallow took away the gold leaf from his body and she gave those to poor and needy people, the people started laughing and they enjoyed, and they were happy to see the warmth and the sufficient food to eat. Now we see the Swallow. She did not leave the Happy Prince. She did not leave the Happy Prince, and it has become winter season has now set up, and it was frosting started, and Swallow could not tolerate this, could not tolerate the frosting, could not tolerate the winter, the coolness of the climate, and she soon was about to die. But before dying, as a true friend, she did not leave the Happy Prince. We see that she did not leave the Happy Prince, and she knew that her survival is not possible now, and she went to the Happy Prince and she asked her if she could kiss his hand. The Happy Prince thought that he is now moving, and the Happy Prince told Swallow that she is happy that Swallow that she is happy that she is leaving now for the Egypt. And whereas we see the Happy Prince, the Swallow told Happy Prince that she is not leaving for the Egypt but to the house of death. She is now moving, and she kisses the hand of the Happy Prince, and the moment she did, she fell down and died. Meantime, the moment she died, the statue also cracked from inside. The statue of a Happy Prince, it cracked from inside, and the heart of Happy Prince, mirror of the city, that is heart of the Happy Prince, that broke. It broke completely. And now one day when mayor of the city and town councillor, they were moving round the city. They had a look of a Happy Prince, and they say Happy Prince statue, and they say it is no longer beautiful, and it's no longer a part of beauty of their city, and it should be taken off soon. And so it was taken off, and it was sent to the factory, and it was removed, and it was melted in the factory. It was melted, but they could not melt the heart of the Happy Prince. But the heart of the Happy Prince could not be melted, and so it was thrown away where the dead Swallow also lies. And the dead Swallow was also lying there, and it was thrown over there. Both the heart of a Happy Prince and swallowed a bird swallow, they lie nearby the god. Now God, he sends his angel. He sends his angel to the earth to get the two most beautiful things from the two most precious thing from the earth. And angel went around and he brought to God the leaden heart of the happy prince and the dead swallow. So we see the angel also felt that the leaden heart of the happy prince and the dead swallow were the two most precious things of the earth. And this is what the kindness never goes untouched. And we see the god was happy to see the heart of happy prince as well as the dead swallow, and he asked happy prince and dead swallow to be a part of his that they can live in his paradise forever. And this is how the story end up. Thank you, students.